Stainless steel 30 inches microwave trim kit compatible with 2.2 cu featuring Panasonic microwave oven models including NN-SE9 S, NN-SD9 S, NN-SN9 S. Trim kit outer size 760 mm or 30 inches, W, by 472 mm or 18-9/16, H, by 20 mm or 3/4 D. Required cabinet opening 724 mm or 28-1/2 plus 8 mm or 5/16, 0 mm, W, by 442 mm or 17-3/8 plus or minus 2 mm or 5/64, H, X minimum 533 mm or 21, D, and minimum 920 mm or 36 1/4 from the floor. Tools needed for installation: measuring tape, pencil, Phillips screwdriver, 02, 5/64, drill. Neatly and securely position a Panasonic microwave oven into a cabinet or wall space in your kitchen. Looking for a space-saving solution in your kitchen? Convert your Panasonic 2.2 cubic feet countertop microwave oven to a built-in model with the Panasonic NN-932SS SS 30 inches microwave trim kit. This trim kit consists of the trim frame, an upper, lower, and rear duct that attaches to and encases the microwave inside the cabinet cutout opening to give your kitchen a stylish look while freeing up precious countertop space. The Panasonic NN-932SS SS Trim Kit is designed for use only with the NN-SE9 S, NN-SD9 S, NN-SN9 S, NN-ST9 S Panasonic Microwave Ovens. For safety, unplug the microwave oven before attempting installation of the NN-932SS SS Trim Kit. Installation of this trim kit requires basic mechanical and electrical skills and may be completed by the DIY homeowner or kitchen cabinetry professional. Proper installation is the responsibility of the installer. The microwave oven must be used with a properly grounded 3-prong receptacle in compliance with the National Electrical Code, as well as any applicable local regulations. Also refer to the microwave oven operating instructions for other safety and electrical requirements. This trim kit is only compatible with Panasonic microwave ovens. Top reviews from the United States. Love this trim kit. This was the perfect finishing trim kit for my recently purchased Panasonic NN South Dakota 997 S, Genius Prestige 2.2 cubic feet. The installation needed to be customized by me to fit the cabinet where my previous microwave convection oven was installed. I liked the way the microwave was vented with this trim kit. I did not use the supplied tape to attach the top vent, but instead used some aluminum duct tape I had on hand. Also, since my opening was not the exact size specified, I was unable to use the clips, but instead, after carefully positioning the trim on the installed microwave to balance the opening, I drilled 4 holes in the trim and fastened it to the cabinet using small head screws. You can barely notice them and the trim fits solidly on the cabinet. It looks very high-tech and seems to function perfectly. While a bit expensive, the kit is substantial and provides excellent venting. Thanks to all the other reviewers who gave good advice.